2.2 day 1 slope of a line. Let's just answer these two questions right here. Do you get same slope using each method? And we saw that we got same slope using both of the method. Why do you think this happens? Because we simplified the fraction, that's why we got the same slope for using each method. Activity 2. Drawing lines with given slope. Draw a line through the black points using the given slope. So the given slope for letter A is 3 divided by 4, and we remember that we have rise over run. So we're going to rise 3 units and run 4 units. Starting from the black point, so we're going to go 1 2 3 up and 1 2 3 4. So the line is this, and that's the line using the slope 3 over 4. Now we're using the gray point. So the gray point is right here. So this is a gray point, and we are going to use the same slope. So 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. So this is going to be the other line, and you can see that when you graph two lines with the same slope, those lines are going to be parallel. So 3 units up, 3 units up, and 4 units run. Now let's just graph the slope -4 over 3. And through the black point, we are going to go down 4 units, and on the x-axis 3 units. So 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, and 1 2 3. That's going to be the other point, and when you graph, you're going to get the line graph passing through these 2 points. Now we are going to use the same slope, but we are going to graph it through the gray point, going down 4 units, 1 2 3 4, and 1 2 3, and connect those 2 points, and you're going to get another line passing through these 2 points, and these 2 points are connected, make a line, and 2 lines will be parallel because the slope of both 2 lines are same.